We face a blatant act of Serbian expansionism and aggression.
Rivals in its intensity. The atrocities that took place in Central Europe in the 30s.
This is no more a civil war than Germany and Austria and Czechoslovakia had civil wars in the 1930s. This, as then in my view, is fascist thuggery on the march.
And what's going on is an atrocity.
In large concentration camps.
I think we should also be using air power. I think we should have been using it a year ago, a year and a half ago.
I was suggesting we bomb Belgrade. I was suggesting that we send American pilots in and blow up all the bridges on the Drina.
The one force that is the perpetrator of the problem, the Serbs.
Till the Serbian people look themselves in the face, understand that their leaders have convinced them of. The Serbian people will not be able to shed this notion of victimization. The value of the Nuremberg trial was not to punish. It was to expose and make the German people look themselves in the eye.